Have you ever wondered what really powers muscle growth and strength enhancement? Today, we're peeling back the layers on this topic, exploring muscle growth from a scientific lens. Whether you're an aspiring bodybuilder or simply curious about how your body works, understanding the underlying mechanisms can be quite enlightening. This video aims to clarify the complex processes that lead muscles to become bigger and stronger. So buckle up as we prepare to decode the biological blueprints of muscle development. Let's dive into the fascinating world of muscle biology and uncover the secrets to gaining strength and size. First, understand that muscles aren't just for show. They're crucial for movement and stability. Let's dive into the fascinating world of muscle anatomy. Muscles are made up of fibers that can contract and help us move. There are primarily two types of muscle fibers, slow twitch and fast twitch. Slow twitch fibers, or type 1 fibers, are endurance stars. They're designed to perform for long durations without fatigue, perfect for activities like running or cycling. These fibers are efficient at using oxygen to generate more fuel for continuous extended muscle contractions over time. On the flip side, fast twitch fibers, or type 2 fibers, are the sprinters of the muscle world. They provide powerful explosive movements, but tire quickly. These are crucial during high-intensity activities like lifting weights or sprinting. Fast twitch fibers are less dependent on oxygen, which makes them superb at generating short bursts of strength or speed. Each muscle in your body has a unique composition of these fibers, influencing how it performs and responds to different types of training. With the right training, you can optimize each type of muscle fiber for maximum growth. Proteins aren't just a part of your diet, they're the building blocks of your muscles. Imagine your muscles are like a wall that needs constant repair and enhancement. The bricks used for this wall are proteins. Every time you engage in physical activity, muscle fibers undergo stress, resulting in microscopic tears. This might sound alarming, but it's actually a good thing. It's the first step to building stronger and larger muscles. Here's where proteins come into play. After your workout, your body initiates a process known as protein synthesis. This is essentially your body's way of repairing those tiny tears. Through a fascinating biological process, proteins are broken down into amino acids, which are then used to repair and build your muscle fibers, making them stronger than before. However, the magic of protein doesn't stop with repair. Protein synthesis must exceed protein breakdown for muscle growth, a state known as muscle hypertrophy. This is why consuming enough protein is crucial. Without adequate protein, your body might end up in a catabolic state, where it starts breaking down muscle tissue instead of building it. The amount of protein needed can vary based on factors like age, sex, and intensity of exercise, but a general rule of thumb is to consume around 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight every day. So next time you're considering skipping that protein shake, remember it's fueling your growth. Lifting weights does more than boost your ego. It's the trigger for muscle growth. When you engage in resistance training, you're not just lifting metal. You're orchestrating a powerful internal process known as muscle hypertrophy. This is the scientific term for the increase in muscle size, a key goal for many fitness aficionados. So how does this process work? It all starts when you lift weights that challenge your muscles beyond their usual capacity. This deliberate stress causes microscopic tears in the muscle fibers. While this might sound alarming, it's actually a good thing. These tiny tears are essential for muscle growth. After your workout, the body gets to work repairing these fibers. But it doesn't just restore them to their original state. Instead, it rebuilds them stronger and often larger than before in preparation for the next challenge. This is where proteins play a crucial role, acting as the building blocks for this reconstruction phase. It's important to note that the adaptation process requires more than just an occasional stint at the gym. For significant muscle growth, consistency in your training routine is crucial. Regularly pushing your muscles with varied exercises and progressively increasing the weight or resistance ensures continuous improvement and avoids the dreaded plateau. Moreover, rest and recovery are just as important as the workout itself. Muscles need time to repair and grow, so ensuring adequate rest and proper nutrition can significantly enhance the results of your resistance training efforts. Consistent training is key. But understanding the process helps you train smarter, not harder. Ever blamed your genes for not looking like a bodybuilder? Let's see how much they really play a part. When we dive into the world of genetics and muscle potential, we're essentially exploring how our DNA influences our ability to grow and strengthen muscles. One of the key genetic factors at play is the distribution of muscle fiber types. Humans have different types of muscle fibers, slow twitch fibers, which are more endurance-oriented, A, and fast twitch fibers, which are crucial for strength and power. The proportion of these fibers that you inherit can set the stage for your natural aptitude in various physical activities. Another significant genetic aspect to consider is hormone levels, particularly testosterone, which plays a pivotal role in muscle growth. Some individuals naturally have higher levels of these hormones, which can enhance their ability to build muscle more efficiently. However, it's crucial to understand that while genetics do set certain limits, they are not the absolute rulers of our muscular destiny. Environmental factors, lifestyle choices, and importantly, your training regimen play substantial roles. For instance, no matter the type of muscle fibers you predominantly have, both can be developed with the right kind of training. Slow twitch fibers can be enhanced through endurance training, while fast twitch fibers can grow larger and stronger through resistance training. So, before you let your genetic blueprint hold you back, remember this. Genetics are just part of the equation. Your effort, persistence, and the strategies you employ in your training can greatly influence how much you can push those genetic boundaries. Your genes aren't your destiny. With the right approach, you can maximize your muscle growth. Now that we know the components, how do we integrate them into a muscle building plan? Embarking on a journey to enhance muscle strength and size isn't just about hitting the gym or piling on the protein. It's about creating a finely tuned symphony of various elements. Start with protein intake. It's the building block of muscle. Aim to include a rich protein source in every meal, which will fuel the repair and growth of muscle tissues. Next, let's talk resistance training. This isn't just about lifting weights, it's about challenging your muscles consistently and progressively. Whether it's free weights, machines, or bodyweight exercises, the key is to keep increasing the challenge to push muscle fibers to adapt. Now, don't forget a rest. Muscles need time to recover and grow after you've broken them down with training. Integrating adequate sleep and rest days are crucial. Consistency and patience are your best allies here. Muscle growth is a gradual process, and rushing it can lead to setbacks. Keep these elements in balance, and you'll see your efforts pay off in stronger, larger muscles. So we've unpacked the science of growing bigger and stronger muscles. Let's briefly revisit the crucial points we've covered today. Firstly, understanding muscle fibers was essential. We learned that muscles grow when these fibers repair themselves after being stressed by activities like lifting weights. This process is known as muscle hypertrophy. Next, we delved into the pivotal role of proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of muscle, and consuming enough protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth. It's not just about quantity, but also quality and timing of intake that can significantly influence your gains. Then we explored the undeniable impact of resistance training. Engaging in consistent resistance training challenges your muscles, which in turn leads to increased strength and size due to the adaptive response of muscle fibers. And finally, we consider genetics. Genetics play a role in determining your muscle growth, potential influencing how quickly and how much your muscles can grow. Armed with this knowledge, you're now better equipped to enhance your muscle growth. Apply these insights and watch your strength soar. If you have watched until the end of this video and think you have learned anything new or anything of value, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon as well. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.